This giving season, Sinai Chicago is going above and beyond to care for those in need on Chicago's west and southwest sides.
And now you can help by donating to Sinai Health's Hope and the Health and Hope Fund, It supports critical care and wraparound services for patients. Rebecca and Dr. Ezike join us with more. Thank you for being here.
Hi, thank you.
Thanks for having us.
Such a good time to talk about this message. It's Giving Tuesday, but before we get to the Health and Hope Fund, let's talk a little bit about Sinai Chicago and the care that you provide and the mission of care.
Yeah.
It's an amazing mission. I mean, we serve over 100,000 people every year. We take care of people who maybe don't have insurance, have Medicaid insurance, and we just make sure that we don't base the care that we're going to give based on like how much money you have or what kind of insurance you have. So we don't do that wallet biopsy that kind of checks to see what you have in your wallet before we give care. We're just open arms and giving compassionate care to everyone who comes through the door.
Can you talk a little bit about the philosophy of having a safety net like this? I think everyone can kind of get why it's great for the community, but it's actually really good for the entire healthcare system, right?
Of course.
Can you talk a little bit about that?
Chicago is this amazing, thriving city. I think everybody knows the phrase health is wealth.
Yeah.
Well, you can't enjoy wealth if you don't have health. And so you need healthy students, you need healthy workers, you need healthy heads of family, you need healthy everyone. And so that starts with making sure you have access to the care you need to deal with chronic diseases, to fight cancer, prevent cancer, to have a healthy baby, to get everything that you need. So we know that that's at the foundation of a healthy community for everyone.
And you don't want people to have to be in that critical choice where they have to make a decision. Do I get health care or do I get food for my child? And I mean, we're in a time right now where some people are making those decisions.
A lot of economic pressures are hitting everyone. And so when you think about people who maybe might already be a little bit more vulnerable and those added pressures, we don't want the additional stressor of figuring out if I can take care of myself or my family member or not. We want that to be a no-brainer because we need everyone to live their healthiest life.
And I think you can both speak to this next question. Can we talk a little bit, we're talking about these stressors, but can we talk about why these are exceptionally challenging times right now for a safety net like Sinai Chicago?
Absolutely. I think that nobody is immune right now to the economic pressures that we're feeling, inflation. The holiday season, of course, brings all of these additional costs. And so, as you said, we want to make sure that if something happens, or just if you're due for your cancer screening, right? If you're due for that preventative appointment, you don't have to make that decision. Do I need to postpone this care? You can take care of yourself and your family without worrying about how I'm going to pay for it.
So how does the Health and Hope Fund help do that?
Absolutely. So if you have Medicaid, which a lot of our patients do, if you are uninsured, which some of our patients are, that means that the hospital doesn't get reimbursed for all of the services that we provide, right? The clinical services and the support services. And so our generous donors through the Health and Hope Fund can help to underwrite some of those costs and really give our patients and their families that peace of mind.
And of course, we're focusing on the holidays right now, but your work is year-round.
Oh, yeah, year-round, year-round.
65.
Absolutely. So how can people watching right now, if they do want to help, how can they do that?
Absolutely. So I think they're going to show a QR code at the end of it, or you can visit sinaichicago.org/giving. Gifts of any amount to this fund are absolutely critical. $50 can provide a patient with transportation to and from their chemotherapy appointment, right? Maybe that's a parent who isn't so comfortable driving in some of these winter conditions that we've been having. A $500 gift could underwrite an ED visit because a kiddo maybe brought home, yet another mystery illness this time of year from daycare. $1,500 could underwrite a colonoscopy. $10, $25, gifts of any amount really can help support this critical work.
You think about the care, but not even just getting to the care.
Yeah.
That is a challenge for some people.
Absolutely.
And this is such important work that you guys are doing.
And I know that you both, I'm sure, have personal stories. You're hearing from people that, thank goodness that Sinai Chicago is there to help them in their time of need, right?
Yeah, someone recently told me, I know what a safety net is. A safety net recently just saved my brother's life. So I am so excited for the work you're doing. And that's what we do every single day.
Making a difference. I mean, life or death matters.
Right.
Indeed. Wow, incredible work. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thanks
we
for
really
having us.
appreciate
Happy
you.
holidays.
so much.
Same
Thank
indeed.
you.
Yes. For more information, just scan that QR code on your screen that you're seeing right there. You can also head to SinaiChicago.org/giving.